Hello legal hustlers. In this video, we explore the Elmer Rice's Counselor at Law, a gripping drama about lawyer George Simon's struggle with personal and professional turmoil. Let's see the characters. George Simon is the central figure of the play. He is a successful lawyer with a complex personality, balancing his professional achievements with personal and ethical challenges. Cora, George's wife, comes from a wealthy, non-Jewish background. Her preoccupation with social status and appearances creates significant tension in their marriage. Regina is George's dedicated and efficient secretary. She is deeply devoted to George and provides him with emotional support. Herbert is one of George's law partners. He represents the traditional and conservative elements of the legal profession. Plot: the story focuses on several days in a critical juncture in the life of George Simon, who rose from his humble roots in a poor Jewish ghetto on the Lower East Side of Manhattan to become a shrewd, highly successful attorney. Earlier in his career, he allowed a guilty client to perjure himself on the witness stand because he believed the man could be rehabilitated if freed. Rival lawyer Francis Clark Baird has learned about the incident and is threatening to expose George, which will lead to his disbarment. The possibility of a public scandal horrifies his socialite wife Cora, who plans to flee to Europe with Roy Darwin. Devastated by his wife's infidelity, George is about to leap from the window of his office in the Empire State Building when his secretary Regina, who is in love with him, comes to his rescue. Before we delve into themes and ideas, it's important to understand the summary of the novel. The narrative revolves around George Simon, an accomplished attorney whose life reaches a critical juncture due to past decisions and present threats. Growing up in a disadvantaged Jewish enclave in Manhattan's Lower East Side, George's ascent in the legal world is marked by a pivotal choice from his earlier days. He allowed a guilty client to perjure himself, guided by a belief in redemption and second chances. However, this decision comes back to haunt him when his rival lawyer, Francis Clark Baird, uncovers the incident. Baird's threat to expose George's past actions puts his career, reputation, and personal life in jeopardy. Meanwhile, George's wife, Cora, adds to his turmoil by planning to elope with Roy Darwin, revealing her lack of support and fidelity in his time of crisis. The emotional turmoil pushes George to the brink of despair, contemplating drastic measures like leaping from his office window in the Empire State Building. His despair is heightened by the realization of his wife's betrayal and the imminent threat of public disgrace. In this dark moment, Regina, George's loyal secretary who harbors unrequited feelings for him, becomes his lifeline. She intervenes just as he is about to take a fatal leap, saving him from tragedy and offering a glimmer of hope in his darkest hour. The story delves into themes of loyalty, betrayal, redemption, and the ethical complexities of legal practice. It showcases George's internal conflict, shattered personal life, and the contrasting support from Regina. While Regina's intervention prevents immediate tragedy, George's future remains uncertain, leaving room for exploration of how he will navigate the aftermath, reconcile his past choices, rebuild his life, and find a path forward amidst the turmoil. Let's explore the theme, Justice and Ethics. The play explores the complexities of the legal profession, highlighting the ethical dilemmas lawyers face. Simon's character is a study in the conflict between professional success and personal integrity. Second, loyalty and betrayal. The contrasting loyalties of Regina and Harry. The themes of trust and betrayal. These relationships highlight the personal costs of professional life. Third, personal versus professional life. Simon's troubled marriage and his relationship with his secretary illustrate the difficulties of balancing personal happiness with professional responsibilities. Conclusion: Counselor at Law is a powerful drama that delves into the moral and ethical struggles within the legal profession. Through the character of George Simon, Elmer Rice portrays the high stakes and personal sacrifices that come with the pursuit of justice. The play remains relevant for its incisive commentary on identity, loyalty, and the pursuit of integrity in a complex world.
Thank you for watching. We're thrilled to have you here and hope that you find our content informative, engaging, and entertaining. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to join us for further updates.